Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to mirror the front camera on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Locate Camera and activate Mirror Front Photos. Afterwards, all your selfies will no longer be inverted. You can also still edit and directly flip any previously taken selfie photos that you already have. To do this, open the Photos app. Select the inverted photo and tap Edit. Choose the crop icon, click on the flip button at the top left corner, and then tap Done to save the reversed image. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.